into my room. This is the overview of what you see. So let's start with the bed. So this is my bed. It's a twin bed. Twin XL. Okay, I got my bedding from Target. Most of the things that I got are from Target. Some of the things are from Walmart, and about two of the things are from, I think, Marshalls / Home Goods. I don't know which, either or, whatever. But I think it's Marshalls. It's Marshalls. I got them from Marshalls. I might be wrong. I got this from Target. It's like from the Exhilaration line. It's a quilt, and I thought it was gonna look cute. I got this throw thing from I got it from Target as well. Same Exhilaration thing. This was given to me on my birthday. This is ravioli. All the pillows are from Target. This pillow right here, it came with this. It didn't really come with it, but it's in the same line. You have to buy it separately. The one in the back is from Walmart. Both of the pillows inside are from Walmart, but the pillow cover and all that stuff is from Target. So that's my bed. My bulletin board, that feathered string thing is from Amazon. That thing was made from the same person who gave me ravioli. She drew that Christina thing for me. That all you need is love thing is from Walmart. Then we have this. That is a curtain from Walmart. I didn't think it was gonna go like this, but whatever. But it's up there. I think it's cute. That, what is it called? Dreamcatcher is from Amazon. And then on my bulletin board, back on my bulletin board, I have a fairy light thing. I don't think you're gonna see it. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. Oh no. I took it off. It fell off, but it's lit if you can see, but it's just really bright inside my room, so you can't really see it. Then, okay, we're gonna move on over here. On this area, I have my keys. Okay, I have my keys. It has this wallet on it. It has my car keys, mace, I have all my bags are on this pole right here. Okay, over here on this pole, I have 2 of my scarves. This one was given to me by the same person who got me ravioli. Put up this and she also put up my fairy lights, and she drew that for me. Love her. But she gave me this, and I bought this while I was with her. So these are my scarves that I wore in the winter. This Forever 21 bag that's strung up like on here has my umbrellas inside it. These are my umbrellas, and then this umbrella right here is one of my friends, but I have it because she left it somewhere and I went to get it for her. Beneath my bed, right, I have 2 bins that have my hair products, right? So this one right here has my hair products for when my hair is straightened, and then this one has my hair products for when my hair is curly. On this like basket thing, in this basket thing, I have food. Literally, I don't even really have too much food. So I have oil so that I can cook these noodles. These are my favorite noodles. What is it? These are so good. Like, they're my favorite. And I have regular ramen, if you can see that right there. Oh shoot, that's heavy. That has tomato sauce, oatmeal, spaghetti, you know, things that I can eat. Yeah. Then I have a broom and like sweeper thingy over there. Okay, so I have a bag right here that has more bags inside it. This is my broom and like packer things. This right here is a bag full of wires and miscellaneous things. And these are my 2 water bottles like my 2 thermal water bottles. So, love those. Oh, and I have speakers right on top of my dresser. And then here's my dresser. In here, I keep underwear. Here, I keep sleep clothes. Here, I keep jackets and tank tops. And then that's just underwear and stuff. Then I'm not gonna open it because it's like so packed. Right here is the stepping stool I used to get on my bed because I really just can't get on my bed without it. I don't climb. Everyone climbs, but I have a problem with me and climbing just don't mix. Then we move over here and we see these two love picture frames. They are from Walmart. This little plant thing is from Target. Let's see. Then they provide this little bookshelf thing, I think. And I have books over here that are all red. And here I have skincare, some moisturizers and like acne stuff, and then medicated like creams and stuff. Then here's my shower caddy and just typical things inside here. Then I have my dishes. I have a spoonful of my a cupful of my spoons, and I have that little hanging, that rack thing is where my spoons are supposed to be hanging, but I'm so lazy. Like, who has time for that? Now we're moving on to the next side. So in here I keep school supplies, but I'm not gonna open it because it's a mess in here. But here it's a mess in here too. But inside here is like, well, should I open it? Wow. Yeah, just a mess. Like, there's no purpose for this. But I do have this thing of my 100 things to do list, and I'm crossing one thing off because I went to a concert just yesterday. So that's done. Okay. Over here I have two plants from Target. Then this is my makeup area. My makeup is from wherever I got it. The makeup holder though is from Walmart. Yeah, so this clear makeup thing is from Walmart. I really like it because it's so convenient. Like, I could just pull it like right here. I sit here and do my makeup. I could just pull it and then pull this. I don't know, it's just so useful. Here is my mirror that I used to do my makeup. Then right here, okay, over here are two plants from Target, and then two two pencil holders from Target as well. Right here, I don't know where this is from. I think it's from Walmart or Office Depot. It could be from one of those too. But I'm holding like pins, paper clips, scissors. There used to be a whole bunch of highlighters, but yeah, I lost those. Right here is my lamp from Target, and then this light bulb isn't from Target, it's from like the dollar store or something. But yeah. Okay, next we have these arrows that are from Target as well, and then this mirror I believe from Target too. To hang this one up, I honestly don't even know how I did it. Like, I don't know what's behind the mirror, and I don't want to figure it out because I don't want to touch it. Like, if something happens, I don't want to fix it. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just gonna not. But for this one, I have that, if you can see, like the little, I don't know what it's called, but I taped it because I took the sticky part off and I ran out of the sticky part too. So I had to go to the store and get it, but I didn't feel like it because I was lazy. So I just taped the thing to the wall, and then I hooked the mirror arrows onto it. So that's how they're hanging up right now. This little thing is from Walmart, the seat cushion. And then there's my backpack. It's just an Adidas backpack. Right there. Under here, I have a printer. I recently ran out of ink, so that's just unfortunate. Then right here I have a trash can, and that's from Walmart. My shower caddy is also from Walmart. I don't think I said that. That makeup bag and the shower caddy are from Walmart as well. Okay. Then I have this mirror. Excuse my presents. I'm really ugly today. But this mirror is from Marshall/Home Goods, whichever one. I'll figure it out later. Then I have my backpack right there. It's just an Adidas backpack. And I have this carpet from Walmart. is cream slash gray because it got dirty. But okay, then we're gonna move on to my closet. I have a scale from, I believe, Walmart. Then I have this laundry basket from Marshall slash Home Goods. I'll figure it out and I'll tell you later. Then I'll have this this basket full of my pants because they can't fit. All of my clothes can't fit in here. Plus, I brought a little bit too much clothes, but all of them are necessary, in my opinion. But yeah, all of my pants are here inside this basket. And then right here, I have all of my shoes inside the white basket. And then back there, I have my electrical heater and air conditioner, whatever. And apparently you're not supposed to have that. They told me to get rid of it. I still use it, whatever. Okay, in the corners, I have bags that I, like bags inside of bags inside of bags, and the outside bag is Forever 21 bag. And then inside that blue bag is like laundry detergent and stuff like that. And then if you see right there, those are my boots for lab. Then right here are all my clothes. And yeah, that's not interesting. Up there I have things that I don't use on a day-to-day basis, or like extra things. So like extra gel, extra hair products, those are some blankets. That's what I use to wipe my face off, like my makeup off. And that's my shampoo and conditioner. But that completes this room tour. But yeah, oh, I was using my laptop. So yeah, let me know if you, well, you don't need to know where anything else is from. But yeah, you really don't need to know where everything else is from because everything's basically from Target. But that completes this room tour. This is my room. Yeah, that's my room. Thanks for watching. Bye.